In this video, I'll detail how to shut off Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether the 41mm or 45mm, and you want to learn how you can basically shut off the Apple Watch Series 9, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll show you two different methods you can use to shut off your Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first method you can use to shut off your Apple Watch Series 9 is just by pressing the control center button and hold it for like 3 seconds. Then once you feel the haptics in your hand, you can see the power button at the top right, click on that. Then you'll be prompted to power off this to shut off your Apple Watch Series 9. So that's one of the ways to do this. Then another way, or alternatively, you can also shut off your Apple Watch Series 9 via the Apple Watch settings. Now to do this, just click on the G2 crown once. Click on settings. Then on the settings page, you just need to scroll down until you get to general, click on that. Now once you selected general, scroll down. And then you should see shut down beneath. Click on that. Then you'll be taken to the screen where you can easily tap the shut off button at the top right. And then slide the slider to power off or shut off your Apple Watch Series 9. So these are the two methods you can use to shut off or shut down Apple Watch Series 9. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.